What if one compact device could replace your multimeter and your component tester? Today we're unboxing and reviewing the Zoyi ZT-XT1 2-in-1 smart multimeter with transistor tester, a tool that promises speed, accuracy, and smart identification all in one. But does it actually deliver, or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's find out. Right out of the box, the packaging is clean and minimal. Inside you get the ZT-XT1 2-in-1 smart multimeter host, pair of multimeter probes, USB charging cable, pair of test leads, big component testing module, component socket testing module, temperature sensor probes, a carrying pouch for multimeter, user manual in English with pictures, first impression? It's compact, lightweight, and feels solid in hand. The dual injection body gives it a durable, slightly rugged feel, perfect for field work. Design and display. The highlight here is the 2.4-inch IPS color display. It's bright, sharp, and easy to read even from angles. Navigation feels modern compared to traditional multimeters, more like using a smart gadget than old-school equipment. Key features overview. This is where things get interesting. The ZT-XT1 is not just a multimeter, it's a smart component analyzer. It can automatically identify resistors, capacitors, inductors, LEDs, diodes and Zener diodes, transistors, MOSFETs, Darlington pairs, thyristors, TRIAC, etc. Just insert the component and boom, it tells you what it is and its parameters instantly. Component testing demo. Now, the fun part, component testing. Insert a resistor, instantly detected with value. A resistor marked 10K should measure around 1,000 ohms. The tester instantly displays the resistance value without needing manual range selection. Insert a diode, and ZT-XT1 detects forward voltage drop, polarity, diode type. A silicon diode usually shows around 0.6 volts to 0.7 volts forward voltage. LEDs are special diodes that emit light when current flows through them. Insert LED in tester socket. The tester can identify LED polarity, detect forward voltage, light the LED briefly during testing. What you'll see: anode plus, cathode minus, forward voltage drop. Inductors are coils of wire that store energy in a magnetic field. Insert inductor in socket. The ZT-XT1 can measure inductance value and coil resistance. An inductor might read inductance 0.22 millihenry and internal resistance 0.5 ohms. Try a capacitor. It shows capacitance clearly. The ZT-XT1 can detect capacitance value, polarity for electrolytic capacitors, ESR in some cases, Pin configuration. This capacitor labeled 2200 microfarad 25 volt. The tester may show actual capacitance value, V-loss, and ESR values clearly. Plug in a transistor. It identifies type and pin configuration automatically. The ZT-XT1 automatically detects NPN or PNP type, pin configuration, base, collector, emitter, gain value, HFE, base emitter voltage, VB, and collector current, IC. Why this is useful. No need to search datasheets or manually test pins. Plug in a MOSFET. It identifies type and pin configuration automatically. The tester can detect N-channel or P-channel, gate, drain, source pins, forward voltage, VF, threshold voltage, VT, drain source on resistance, RDS, gate capacitance, CG. Why it matters. MOSFET pinouts are often confusing. The tester identifies them instantly. A TRIAC is similar to a thyristor, but works in both AC directions. Plug in a TRIAC. It identifies pin configuration instantly. The tester identifies terminal pins, TRIAC structure, gate trigger voltage, VG, and on-state voltage drop, VT. A thyristor, SCR, is a controlled electronic switch that stays on after triggering. The ZT-XT1 can detect gate pin, anode, and cathode, trigger characteristics, VG and VT.
Double diodes contain two diodes inside a single package. Insert in tester socket and the tester can detect dual diode arrangement, identify common cathode or common anode structure, display pin configuration. Zener diodes are special diodes designed to regulate voltage. Insert Zener diode into lower row socket K and A. The tester can identify it as a Zener diode. Zener voltage, VZ. Show polarity. Sometimes estimate breakdown characteristics. This is a huge time saver, especially when working with unknown components. No manual setup, no guessing, just plug and read. You also get true RMS for accurate AC readings. Support for sensors like DS18B20 and DHT11. IR remote decoding. Put IR receiver and then press OK. Instantly, you get pinout configuration. Tool calibration function.
Multimeter functions test. Now, let's test the multimeter side features. It supports DC voltage up to 1000 volts, AC voltage up to 750 volts, current up to 10 amps, resistance, continuity, capacitance, diode testing, temperature and frequency measurement. AC voltage test up to 750 volts. Plug into a power socket extension board. AC voltage test shows stable reading around 220-240 volts, which is accurate and quick. DC voltage test up to 1000 volts. On a 12-volt battery, we get a clean 13-volt reading, perfect for automotive work too. Resistance test. Reads resistances instantly. Very responsive auto range. Continuity test. Continuity test is snappy with a loud beep, perfect for electricians. Diode test. Forward voltage shows around 0.56 volts. Capacitance test. As expected, capacitance values are accurate, useful for repairing power supplies and motors. Temperature measurement. You can also measure accurate temperature by using temperature sensor provided with multimeter. In real-world use, readings are stable and responsive. The true RMS feature makes a noticeable difference when measuring AC signals, more reliable compared to basic meters. Pros and cons. Pros. 2-in-1 functionality saves space and money. Fast and accurate smart identification. Bright IPS display. Rechargeable battery with USB support. Compact and portable. Cons. Detailed accuracy specs are not clearly provided. Learning curve for beginners due to multiple features. Not a replacement for high-end professional lab equipment. Final verdict. The Zoyi ZT-XT1 is a powerful all-in-one tool that combines convenience with smart technology. For hobbyists, repair technicians, and content creators, it's a fantastic value. Is it perfect? No. But for its size, features, and versatility, it punches well above its weight. If you want to check out the Zoyi ZT-XT1 for yourself, I've added the buying link in the description below. So, would you replace your multimeter with this smart tester? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more hands-on tech reviews.